Hello kids! This is the black color. Colors: pink color, baby pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, light green color, brown color, sea green color, blue color, dark green color, orange color, purple color. Let's draw some shapes. Square, pike, star, pentagon, hexagon. Let's color in square. Let's color in pike. Let's color in star. Let's color in pentagon. Let's color in hexagon. Square, pike, star, pentagon, hexagon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.